everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we're going to car meet. So yesterday one of my mates told me that there was a car meet happening today, so I'm taking my siblings and we're on our way there. So stay tuned and hopefully it will be a good one. So catch you guys in a bit. Now we're at M5, driving with my mate. He's got a Civic Type R, and whew, that car is nice, mate. That car is fast, to be honest. Oh, it is what it is, people. All good, so good. Yeah, so it's been a nice drive. It's about 20-minute drive, and we're 14 minutes away. And hopefully we'll get there on time before most of the stuff ends, and we show you some clips when we arrive there. So please stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notification button, please share, comment, stay tuned. We'll see you guys there. What's up, everyone? Yeah, so we've arrived and we came with my mate. That's car, my mate's car. So we're gonna show you around and give you a few clips of the cars that are around here. So we got an Audi, Ford. I'm not really familiar with these classics. Yeah, got one right here. That one is, but looks really clean. So good, to be fair. Red interior, clean hands. There's the Honda van. Yeah, it's not bad. Ooh. AMG GT just showed up. And Ford Mondeo. This is GTS. This sounds amazing. Let's get some sound clips from it. It's coming back. Look at that. Look at that. V8 bi-turbo. Listen to that beauty. Woo. It's a nice car. Yeah. Now we got Audi A3 right there. S9. We got an Signia with active aero. Apparently these actually work. Active aero everywhere. Looks clean. Modified by Misfits. Nice wing in the back. Yeah, he's done pretty good work on this car, to be honest. Looks pretty decent. The wheels. Right. Never walk alone.
I'll lift the bonnet.
Thanks, mate.
Can't go without seeing that. Yeah.
Woo! It's not like a space display.
It's like plastic depth, so it's like a film.
Ah, Galaxy.
Needs redoing.
Does it not burn like the film you put in there?
Yeah, so that's why it's all gone. That's why it's all gone bubbly like that.
Oh, okay.
Because that bit there gets over 700 degrees when it's running hot. So yeah.
Wow, this is a nice car, people.
It does go around the country a lot.
Yeah, but you know, it's not every time you see an engine like this. Yeah, but this is really nice. Don't lean.
Yeah, he's alright. But yeah.
All
Does
this
the job.
does the job. Active aero, that's my best part. Yeah, this is a nice one. Active aero. Good. Protection film in the engine. Purple. Yeah, be creative with your cars, people. Yeah, but this is a nice car. Vauxhall insignia. Yeah. Not sure what that one is. Suzuki. Yeah, 500. Ford Performance. This is just got expensive written all over it. Nice type of engine. Clean. There's no way to put a finger there. The upgraded intercooler. Ford Performance. Looks like it's got a really massive sound system inside. Yeah. Nice. Then we go to the big daddy. We got Lamborghini Performante. The DMO guy. And if I see one of these, don't lean. This is a nice car. Look at the interior. Alcantara dashboard. Forged carbon. Alcantara seats. This is a nice car. Lambo. Yeah, this is a nice one. Yeah. Once you get one of these, well, unstoppable, people. So that's a dream right there. Carbon ceramic brakes. Big caliper. Orange. This is the orange. This is the orange. Forged carbon handles. Forged carbon centerpiece. It's forged carbon everywhere. Even forged carbon wing. This car is just amazing.
This car's so cool.
Then we go to the Big Daddy, my favorite. 101. 6.3 liter V8 C63 AMG. It's clean, comes in red as well. This is a coupe version, C63, quad tips, carbon fiber spoiler. Yeah, this is a masterpiece, people. This is the dream right here. Hopefully one day we'll own one. Little piece of German engineering.
When it's running, it's smooth, nice and quiet, smooth.
Smooth but loud.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love this engines. This is a dream car right here. Woo. Let's get cold but warm start. You can't even hear the sound. This is really quiet, to be honest. This is really stock to me. Can we get some sound
I've
clips?
never seen a red door when I found this. When I went to look at it, after driving, I mean, good, like I said, I drove the Mustangs, a saloon model.
C63, Lambo. So which one are you picking? There's a Mustang right there, but we'll get there later. Which one are you picking, guys? Lambo, AMG, or Porsche 911? Let's get to this one. Woo. Can we get a sound clip? Yeah. Yeah, that was a nice one. Amazing, people. V8 engine right there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, that was amazing. Did it scare you? Yeah. There you go.
Thank you, bye. Where is it going?
To the car.
Look.
So there's a Porsche. And we're on to the BMW. Got a Z4. But I'm really a fan of the Z4s. They just look kind of weird to me, but ooh, it was really big, quite exhaustive. Carbon fiber diffuser. DCT engine in there. S-Drive 35i. It's really great. We've got an F10 M5 with telescopic wheel. That one's automatic with a white interior. Yeah. It's just a nice one. M5. Then we have 3 Series. I think this is a 1 Series with giant turbo. With an inline 6 engine, upgraded intercooler. Oh, this is pretty fast, I think. Oh no, this is not 1 Series. This is an M3. Yeah, this is an M3. Looks different from the bonnet. M3. Yeah, you really done it. Look at that turbo, people. Guess how much that car is pushing. An inline 6. We got a Ford Mustang. Shelby. I think this is a Shelby Ford Mustang. Yeah, there you go. Classics. Timeless beauties. Look at it in the inside. Look at the interior. We got a baby sleeping inside. We got a baby sleeping inside. Yeah.
I'm going to sit in the car.
This is nice. Oh, we got a Mitsubishi Lancer leaving and a Civic Type R, similar to my mate's Civic. Yeah, and we got a Starlet and another Starlet GT Turbo. Oh, I think this is a Starlet. Oh, yeah, this is a Starlet, so that's the previous version for that car. Starlet. We got a Sprinter here. With a flower design, nice wheel. Oh, Toyota Camry. Ha! Jake Snatter. You could have done this to your car, mate. Yeah, got a nice one here. Really good. Graded exhaust. Got some nice wheels on there. It's a nice car. Maybe if you're lucky, we're gonna get some sound clips. That's his Instagram. Yeah. Nice. everyday Porsche 911 C63 Mercedes and a Lambo. Now we go to the big daddy of the day. Cars are leaving. But yeah, we've got V8 bi-turbo AMG. Yeah, with an AMG GTS. This is a nice car, to be honest. No lie, got forged carbon and carbon ceramic brakes. Got orange interior, or a bit of brown interior, and then this is a one-of-one spec. Yeah, this is a special edition. So you see here, AMG special edition. Ford Mustang GT. These are just 5 liters, 5 liter 8. Yeah, Ford Mustang here. And that's most of the cars. Most cars are now leaving. Yeah, and there's our car. This is a nice car, mate. Let's hear some turbo noises. That was a nice one. That was a nice one. So we're stuck. We got stuck. Mud. We parked in a bit of dampy area. So for the past like 30 minutes, we're trying to get out, and the car was like about 3 or 4 inches deep underneath, and we had to get towed by this. Look how dirty it is. We're gonna have to drive by a cleaning spot because it's to get out. So now we're just gonna get the car cleaned. Yeah, thanks mate. Yeah, that was nice one.
Well, let's get some car wash, mate.
Yeah, let's get some car wash. You know how to do some free rollers in the highway or something? We'll get some in the way. Oh. Yeah. We're back home and everything is all good. It's all good? Yo, everything all good? All good? Yeah. Yeah, it was nice. It was a nice day. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Hit the notification button. Like, comment, share to your friends. Yeah, hit the bell. I'll catch you guys on the next one.